Good morning, guys. Saturday the 3rd of November, 8:30 a.m. as promised. This morning we're going to go check out Little Lake, just the outskirts of Barrie. Okay, let's take a look at this here. Get you familiarized with Lake Simcoe, Cooks Bay. Here's the main lake here. Cooks Bay is down here. Little Lake is right here. So that's the 400 right here, guys. So it's easy to access. I'm going to show you. Here's Barrie. You know how you come around on the 400 before it splits, 69 and 11. The exit is right here, guys. This right here is the hospital, RVH. So when you're coming, you'll see the hospital. That's the exit. Get off there, hang a left, and I'll take you right to Little Lake. Now, I'm not exactly sure what's down here, guys. There's a marina down here where you launch your boat. I'm assuming it would be here. But we have some board members that fish Little Lake. Maybe they'll give us a little heads up on if you can get where you actually park. Do you park along this road and walk? Can you go ice fishing? How does it work, guys? I'm not exactly sure. But anyway, that's Little Lake in Barrie. That's how to get there from Toronto. Okay, and here's our hood right here, Cooks Bay. Started broadcasting the 1st of December ice reports. Until then, we're gonna see you dudes real soon.